Okay, I'll be doing many more videos on how to repair appliances. So subscribe. Hit the like button if you like the videos. And comment good or bad. Also, if I use a part to repair the appliances, I'll put a link in the description so you can buy from this channel. Let's get started. For safety reasons, you're going to remove the power cord. And you're going to want to turn off the gas line. Today's project will be replacing a cycling thermostat on a Maytag Atlantis gas dryer. Tools needed is a Phillips head screwdriver and a socket set with a 1/4-inch socket in it. Part needed is a thermal fuse, model number 3392519. Okay, first thing we want to do is remove the door. And that's 2 Phillips screws to remove. That's 1 and 2. Now remove the door and remove 2 Phillips screws on the other side. 1 and 2. 2 plastic washers are missing from here. Now kind of twist the top of the panel off and remove it. Remove all 4 wires that are connected to the cycling thermostat. With a 1/4-inch drive, unscrew the 1/4-inch screw, loosen it up and take it off by hand. And take the second one off. And also you can make sure so you won't lose it to take it off. Now to replace the cycling thermostat, slide the thermostat in the spot, align it up with the holes, hand tighten the 1/4-inch screw, and hand tighten the other screw. Now tighten with your 1/4-inch drive. Tighten just snug enough. We're not putting too much on it, but make sure it's nice and tight. Okay, now we'll place all 4 wires in the correct place. I would take photos before I take it off to make sure they're right, but this is correct. Now make sure they're okay, they're nice and tight. Cycling thermostat is now mounted. Okay, with the front panel, slide the slots in. Make sure both of the panels are tucked in correctly. Screw the left side and let's get the hinges out. Slide the hinges inside the slots of the dryer. And with a Phillips head screw, you need 2 for the drawer. Okay, it's complete and ready to go. We'll have many more videos on how to repair appliances. Remember to like, share, and comment on YouTube as well as Facebook. Follow and comment. That's Appliance Flipper. Appliance Flipper Facebook and Appliance Flipper to YouTube. Have a good one.